Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi wa ba'd. Today we got a visit with Mr. Douglas Harris, recently converted to Islam. Mr. Douglas, salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How is life far?
Life so far has been great. I can attest that converting to Islam has been one of the best decisions I've made in life. I find that there's peace and tranquility in learning and trying to understand Islam. It's not just a decision I took out of a joke or something. It is something I thought about for a really long time, something I thought maybe I wouldn't even embrace Islam because I used to look at it as something strange to me and maybe to the whole family. But even the moment I took the decision, maybe most of my friends thought I was joking about it. But it has been a really successful journey, I would say. It has been a happy one.
God bless you. So let us know, how has Islam benefited you so far?
So far, like I said, I've found peace in it. I've found understanding on some of the doctrines that we live with in life. We find that Islam is actually the way of life. Most of the things we do them unknowingly, but you find this is one of the ways the Prophet ﷺ has taught us, how God taught him, the way we live, the way we eat, the way we interact with other people, the way we relate with everyone around us. So you find basically Islam is everyday life. It's not just worshipping, but the way we live with people around us.
So what would you like people to know about the religion?
What I would want people to really know about Islam is that there's peace. You're not looking for riches, you're not looking for war with other people. You're basically looking for peace when you choose Islam. You find that you find peace in almost everything. Even when you're in pain, you find peace. I've been sick for some time, but one thing that has really pushed me through is finding peace with God, not questioning God as to why something is happening, not questioning each and every situation, but understanding that there's a reason as to why something is happening. God is testing you, testing your patience, testing your belief in Him and the trust you have in Him. So I would say basically, if you choose Islam, you're choosing peace. You're choosing that peace in your heart. I can't say there are no struggles, but at least there's that. That is something I can attest to. So far, you're here in Arrows Records and Studios. That is what we always preach. We preach the word of God. We preach the sense of worship. What is worshiping? Is bringing all your faith, like Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala says, فَمَنْ يَكْفُرْ بِتَوَاهُوتُ وَيُؤْمِنُ بِاللَّهِ وَقَدْ اسْتَمْسَكَ بِالْعُرْوَةِ الْوُثْقَى. Whoever disbelieves with the devil and believes in one God, then you are attached. You're attached to the most trustworthy. This is what Daglas was talking all about. So join Islam for the peace of mind, peace of worship. God does not force anyone to become a Muslim. It's the light you get right from your God. It's your decision, like Douglas told us, he just decided. Mainly, let me ask you, Mr. Douglas. Okay.
How do you think your life is going to be in time coming?
I believe, of course, there are going to be challenges. There are going to be moments where you feel like, is this the right decision I've taken? But for the few times at least I've read in, some of the literature and some of the information that is available online, I believe there's going to be a big change in my life. There's going to be actually major changes in my life, the way I worship God, how I believe that God works through me or through people around me. So basically I believe there's that big change that is bound to happen.
So greet one person and then we close the chapter.
Maybe I can say I can greet my family, friends, and wish them peace. If they can find Islam, then they will have found peace as well.
So get in touch with us on www.badrukaneza.blogspot.com, Kanzira Records and Entertainment. We greet Google AdSense team, or we greet Equid team, we greet leadership strategies team, Lay and Rogers, Dr. Smon Hodgins, we greet our brothers, Adra Hussein, Adnan Ahmad, Baraka Ahmad, Warda Ahmad, Zara Ahmad. We also greet everyone. We also greet Daglas here. So peace and love.